Mass shootings make me so angry. I'm praying for the parents and siblings and grandparents of kids. And yes, in my eyes, college students are kids. I'm starting again and again and again. I've given 10, 20, 50, 100, and sometimes more for efforts to stop this. I do not know the answers. I don't. And starting again with this stupid effort. And I say stupid because I feel stupid. I feel stupid that any and all of my individual efforts to address a horrible problem and me contacting my local and my state and my federal representatives does so little. It's frustrating. I hate it. And it's Holy Week. Today is Thursday of Holy Week for Christians. And this spring, I am celebrating a son who's getting married. And I thank God he made it through. He made it through. I was scared when I sent him off to elementary school, to preschool, to elementary school, to middle school and high school and college and professional school. I was scared, kind of scared to send my kids off. But what are they going to do? Just stay cooped up in my home? No, I need to send my kids out into the world, but hell, it's horrible to, send your kids off to a college and they get to be free of you, they get to be free of me. Like I thought, my kids get to be free of me. They can drive themselves, they can get themselves to class, they can go work and earn their own money and spend it the way they want to spend it. And no, for another person